going on, guys? Ankush Mittal here. In today's video I'm gonna showing you how you can make up to $200 per day with Twitter as a complete newbie. Okay, so if you are into the niche of making money online and online marketing business related niche, then you should go below and hit the subscribe button now. And after you subscribe, you can also comment like hi or I have subscribed, so that I can really welcome you to the channel because you are now a part of the family. So what's the strategy over here? I'm going to reveal you a two strategy. Okay, two strategy. We're going to with the two strategy. The first strategy is build a following, and the second strategy is make money without building a following. The first strategy, how are you going to build a following over here? What you need to do, just go and type in your niche, just like make money online. Okay, I'm in the make money online niche. You need to type that like this. Okay, just go over there and you are gonna find the content big accounts related to yours. For example, you are gonna to find a guy who are having 100 followers or 1,000 followers. Let's say he's having 1,000 followers. You are in the also make money online, so go and follow the guys who are following this guy. Okay, so you can see following 2,000 guys. Okay, he has been followed by 2,000. So go and start following about 100 people every single day for a week. After that, scale it up to 250. Okay, but do not follow 100 in one single step. Just break it into 50 and 50. That's it. Okay, after that you are gonna do this. Okay, and the second thing you can do over here, just the guys who are you following, just go and start liking their post. Okay, see, this guy might be doing some kind of post. Whatever he is doing, just go and like his post, comment his post, leave a valuable comment, because there are guys who follow the guys who are commenting on consistent basis, who are liking on the consistent basis. So what you need to do, just to start liking others posts, just to start commenting on others posts. For example, there is a post, what happened, this account tweets are protected, there is a problem. Okay, I think that you can do over here. We are just taking it an example. Okay, after a month, you are gonna see over here, out of these 100, that means you are having about 4,000 following. No, you are not followers, you are following 4,000 guys, and you will see that about 50% will follow you back. Okay, about 50%, that means about 2,000 will be your followers. Okay, and you are posting, you are commenting and liking, and you are posting, so absolutely 2,000 more are gonna to come from here. Okay, absolutely, it's very easy. So 2,000 from here and 2,000 from here, that means you are gonna having a following of about 4,000 members. It's bare less. And what you can do, you can automate this with the help of the Twitter automated Twitter accounts, softwares. You can see over here, this guy, just to start leaving comments on their post, just start liking their post. That's the thing. Okay, so you can see over here that after a month you are gonna having a 4K following. Okay, that's it, you are having a 4K following. And now you can monetize this following, because they are in the make money online issue. You can say here is something like how to make $100 every single day. You can keep the link in the description, or you can keep the link in the posts as well. Okay, so after that you can just let them whatever you are going to recommend them, they are going to buy. At least some we will buy. Let's say only and only 4 are going to buy. Okay, 4 are going to buy. Out of 4 will be okay, it will be much less. Okay, 10%. I was taking 10%. 10%, 1% are going to buy. I'm taking, sorry, it's 1%. You should not expect more than 1%. Okay, 1% are gonna to buy. If you are going to promote over $100 product, you are making over $4,000 just from this. And 40 people, it's not a big deal over here. 40 people is very less. Okay, because you are having any following of 4,000 members. Now the second step over here, what do you need to do? Just go and search on the Twitter, like for example, fat loss. Just go over here and do something like this, and we are gonna to see the posts, comments like this. Okay, just wait for a second over here. Fat loss, it's fat loss. Okay, just wait, it's taking a bit longer. Okay, what you can do, okay, you can see over here, here are posts. This is, I think that this is not what we want. You should do something like I want to lose my weight. I want to lose my weight. Oh, here is some spelling mistake, I think. It's taking a bit longer. I don't know why. Today it's very. I want to show my weight loss success. No. She's not the one. I want to pursue my mental health, and I want to get a workout. Yeah, you can see over here. Hate that every time I want to get out. No, this is not the guy. My weight loss has slowed down. Okay, I want to look too good with weight loss cause many women age their faces. You can see over here. This girl wants to lose her weight. So what you can do, just to find valuable, just go to the clickbank.com and find the good products over there. Okay, and start recommending her that this product has really helped me. You can try this product. It is really going to help you remove loss. It's really going to help you lose your weight. Okay, that's what you need to do. Okay, and if you are going to follow, go and comment to 100 guys every single day, just only one even are going to buy with you. One. Okay, that means if you are promoting a $50 commission, a product that is giving $50 commission, you are making $50 from here as well. So that means $50 from here, that means about 1500. All about it's all gonna to be $6,000. That means about $200 every single day. So you can see how powerful this is and how simple this is. You just need to take action. That's it, guys. That's it. You are gonna be successful. So thank you guys for watching this video, and if you want more making money online videos, then do not forget to subscribe now. Thanks for watching.